This Cartier Baignoire Allongée London from 1970 is perhaps one of the most exciting timepieces to come to the auction space in a very long time.
I'm super pleased to present this swinging Sautoir from Piaget. She's a juggernaut of a piece and a total sign of the times for the 1970s.
Fresh to the market, this Audemars Piguet jump hour was manufactured in 1928 and radically ahead of its time. Rather than traditional hands, it displays time through apertures, creating an almost digital appearance.
There was nothing else like this timepiece during the period. It's oversized, curved, and it wears almost like a cuff on the wrist and speaks to the swinging 60s of London.
The Sautoir is fresh to market from the family of the original owner. It sits on an 18-karat gold double chain necklace and ends with beautiful tassels that are heightened by tiger's eye beads, creating something that's not just horology, but it's jewelry and it's art.
Fewer than a handful are known today, making this one of the Maison's rarest and most experimental early wristwatches.
There's keywords we always look for: unpolished, unrestored, fresh to market, and first owner. And this timepiece checks all those boxes.